I was diagnosed with pancreas cancer. After I was told that my house had 18 inches of water, the flood happened that August. I applied to FEMA and they turned me down. So that's where All Hands contacted me. And they said that they would help me. And they are such loving people. I mean, they just come in and they just keep on trying to help every way they could. Good360 connected with them, and now I'm getting furniture. So it's just awesome. It's just awesome. They're giving people, loving, giving people. And I fell in love with all of them. So it's just a wonderful thing. Such a miracle. I'm now cancer-free in that area. I'm cancer-free, period. I'm living with my sister. My sister really treats me special. It's just her and I, and it's just two senior people together, like the Golden Girls. Even though I have still challenges, coming against me, I could get up and say, God made a way. Now I have a way of being able to stay back in my house. After they gave me the furniture and let me pick it out, they delivered it. Now it's being set up. And that's just awesome, awesome. They are happy to do it, but I'm elated to have it. Rebuilding is very hard. And the one thing about it is that y'all bring encouragement. We need hope after something like that. A lot of people lost everything. And so you need the help. You need the hope to keep going on. But long as you're living and have hope, you can make it. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. The help come through people like All Hands, like Good360, and every other organization that just steps out and gives.